how you do a 360 turn on a skateboard. All you have to do is look. First, you want to look at our video that was before this on how to do a manual, because you will need to know how to do a manual to be able to do a 360 turn. So, if you watch the manual video, you will know that you have to push slightly on the back and lift up slightly on there, and then you want to twist your shoulders and spin them back around while doing a manual, and that'll be a 360 turn. If you want it, you can do any amount of turns. That was a fail, bro. Anyways, that is how you do a 360 turn, or any type of turn that you want. There you go. This is West 49 Liberty 95 signing out. Comment, rate, and subscribe.